emergency aircraft. The aircraft is stable.
Are you declaring emergency?
I declared Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Yes, sir.
Okay, American 2709, you're cleared to the DFW airport via radar vectors. Just maintain the RNAV for now. Turn north here shortly.
Okay.
American 2709, when able, for the nature of the emergency.
Nature of the emergency was a engine power loss. That's where we are right now.
American 2709, when able, forward souls on board and fuel remaining in time.
Souls on board, we're looking at 161 and fuel on board is about 4 hours.
American 2709, contact approach on 119.87.
American 2709, DFW tower, 18 right, so land with 160 up, 18.
Middle land 18 right, American 2709. Did they let you know we were going to be stopping on the runway?
Confirm, yeah, I was just checking when your intention to stop on the runway.
Roger.